Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with University of Abuja Chemistry Post UTME Past question 15. It says the major source of oxides of nitrogen is from the burning of A. Coal, B. Wood, C. Fuel, D. Chlorofluorocarbons. Now, for you to know, you check the composition of these substances. Wood mainly consists of carbon. Fuel is a hydrocarbon consisting of carbon, hydrogen, and some other compounds depending on the particular fuel you're talking about. And then we have chlorofluorocarbons containing chlorine, fluorine, and carbon. Now, in this particular question, it says the major source of oxides of nitrogen. Now, in coal we have nitrogen, we have sulfur, we have hydrogen, and we have oxygen. Now, what does it mean for it to contain oxides of nitrogen? Now, when combustion or burning occurs, the nitrogen will be oxidized to give you an oxide of nitrogen. Now, if there is no nitrogen in any of this substance, there will be no oxidation of nitrogen. But from my splitting and explanation, you notice that coal has nitrogen amongst its compounds. So when coal is being burnt, nitrous oxides are being given off. Like, there are different oxides of nitrogen that are given off when coal is being burnt. But when you burn chlorofluorocarbons, there's no nitrogen to be oxidized, so you certainly not get a nitrogen oxide from these others. So B, C, and D are not correct. The correct option for this question is option A, coal. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe for more videos.